of the things I get asked about the most is residue on glassware. You know, that milky white film that gets on your glasses when you take them out of the dishwasher. And there is a reason for that. It could be using too much detergent, hard water, or even not having hot enough water at your sink coming into the dishwasher. But now, let me tell you what to do about it. There's an easy way to fix that. You're gonna load in all your glassware. Absolutely no metal, please. Then, you're gonna take some chlorine bleach, about a cup in a bowl. Sit it in on the bottom rack of the dishwasher. Run the dishwasher through the cycle right up to dry. Shut it off while the dishwasher's still wet inside. Take out that chlorine bleach bowl and put in a cup and a half of white vinegar, back on that bottom rack. Then you're gonna put the dishwasher and wash it through again. And when you're done and you pull the dishes out, they're gonna be spotlessly clean. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.